When you need a cooling system designed to stand up to the extreme conditions of oil field operating environments, there's only one choice: the PRISM system from Thermal Solutions Manufacturing. The PRISM system is designed to be robust and the easiest cooling system of its kind to clean and maintain. Plus, all of our Tier 2 and Tier 4 PRISM units are designed in the USA and built in Texas. Our PRISM units offer outstanding design concepts that are far superior to the competition. Both tiers include the following key advantages. PRISM systems are a simple drop-in fit to replace your existing cooling package. PRISM systems are designed to be rugged, durable units with powder coating applied to the steel tanks and entire frame for corrosion resistance. A reinforced base structure increases the stiffness of the unit and makes it safer to transport. Vibration isolators provide support for the middle and end of the cooler to further enhance durability. All of our PRISM coolers use Thermal Solutions Manufacturing's square bump fin design to provide superior cooling and robust protection that stands up to the harsh conditions of the oil patch. Our systems are designed to be accessible, which is why all hydraulic connections inside the unit come pre-labeled for easy identification and offer a 24-inch roll-up service door to give technicians easy access to the fan and interior of the unit, and features a lockable latch system to secure your unit. The internal fan guard has been uniquely designed to provide greater internal headroom and increase the serviceability of the fan with modular sections. And finally, our coolers are hinge-mounted and swing out for easier cleaning and servicing. Just hear what one of our customers had to say.
I can't stress enough how big of a game changer being able to clean these systems is. The swing-out panels and easy access to the interior save us money by avoiding the use of dry ice blasting and harsh chemicals to clean the unit. Amazing design.
Our PRISM cooling units currently come in two tiers, Tier 2 and Tier 4. Let's review the key enhancements we've made to each unit. Our Tier 2 PRISM cooling package represents a major improvement over our first generation model. The Tier 2 system cools 20% more on aftercooler, 32% more on hydraulic cooler, and 25% more on fuel cooler. Here are the key specs on the Tier 2's cooling capacity. Our Tier 4 PRISM cooling package goes even further in improving on our industry-leading design. The Tier 4 has a 6.8% heat transfer increase on the aftercooler circuit and a 34% heat transfer increase on the jacket water circuit. We've also increased the fan from a 76-inch diameter to an 84-inch diameter, which increased the overall airflow from 144,000 CFM to 246,000 CFM at 900 RPM while reducing the noise by 2 decibels. The jacket water and aftercooler cores in the Tier 4 PRISM is a 2-pass on the water side, which increases residence time in the coolers and improves overall thermal performance. Here are more of the key specs for the Tier 4 PRISM. The PRISM cooling package from Thermal Solutions Manufacturing is the best designed, best engineered cooling system on the market. For new or replacement installations in the oil field, there is no better option, and we have replacement cores in stock and ready to ship. To learn more, reach out to Thermal Solutions Manufacturing today.